I'm often asked, how do I make my landing pages where people can view a video and put their name and their email address in for my marketing pages like this one where there's no video at all, where people can just put an email in and then I can collect their details so I can market to them. And pages like this one where I have a video with a button below them to click. Now, if you're interested in these types of pages, then what you're going to need is you're going to need to get access to Zookle, because I can give you all of the pages that you can import, all the pages that I build, but I'm also going to show you how to build pages from scratch. So you would need to go to Zookle.com. So if you go over to Zookle.com, when you first come here, you might think, well, this is just a trading platform. But what Zookle has inside as well is a marketing suite. And it's that marketing suite that you want to get access to. So what you need to do is to come up to registration at the top here. And then once you're on here, you'll fill out your details. And the package that you're going to want is this one that's going to cost you either £10 or $10 or €10, depending on where you are. And you'd pay that monthly, okay? So you'd need to create that account. Then once you've got your Zookle account set up, that will bring you into something that looks a bit like this, okay, when you first join. Now, there's some trading robots here, but I'm not going to go into the trading robots. But what you maybe want to do is you'll want to click on Renew. So if you click on Renew, because you would have already paid, so you'll get this pop-up, and we're going to cancel that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the screen here, and you want this affiliate package. Now, I've already got this affiliate package, but it costs you, this subscription to the affiliate package is yearly, okay? It's not monthly. So you click on either upgrade or renew. I'm just going to show you what it does if you click on renew. Obviously, you would click on upgrade if you haven't got this. And it's going to tell you you're going to pay this much Bitcoin a year, okay, to get access to the affiliate system. And how much is that? It's basically about $55 or £55 or €55, depending on where you are in the world. But once you've done that, then you will get access to all the marketing tools. So let's just go back here. I'll cancel that, come back up to the top, and then go down to My Tools from Affiliate System. That will bring you to a page like this. You've got a landing page creator, a blog, and a banner creator. But the two that we're going to be working on is the landing page creator and the blog. So if you want to create landing pages and capture pages for your marketing efforts online, then come and join us here at Zookle. Below the video, if you've already got an account, you'll find a button, click that button, and I'll show you how to import the pages that I've already built and show you how to make some pages from scratch. I'll see you in another video. Bye now.